Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. A couple of days ago, I think about 4 or 5 days ago, I made a video regarding about this price drop uh, by Rivian, and I mentioned that it's going to be a domino effect, and sure enough, Lucid is starting to cut prices as well too. And if for those of you who's not aware of what Lucid is, or we can go hop over to their website real quick and take a look. All right, so Lucid, it's a American EV company. The CEO used to work with Tesla and with Elon, and after some kind of disagreement, he left and he started his own company, which is Lucid. And right now, Lucid it's heavily invested by Saudi Arabia, and they make really nice cars, no doubt about that, right? And I think their car is like one of the that has the longest range we can think of as far as an EV wise. But the price for them is really high, and they they haven't been able to meet their quarterly goal because they're not efficient as producing, or let's say they keep on lowering their goal, right? Because I think the last quarter they probably made about 7,000 vehicles or less. So that's really little, right? Compared to Tesla, like a lot, right? So, but take a look at the cars. It's really nice. So now to entice it, they're lowering like about $6,000 to $7,500 off, and not only that, but they also offers like a 2 years complimentary Lucid Care scheduled maintenance with purchase. So this is not something new. We've seen it with Toyota before. After some kind of I forgot what it was, some kind of recall, and they went ahead and gave like 25,000 or 2 years maintenance. But as far as with EVs, I there's not really much of maintenance. Like for in my case, I have a Tesla Model Y, and I've been driven about 10,000 mile, and all I did to the vehicle was just rotated the tires, at 6,200 miles. But and other than that, you don't really need much. And the brake pads usually last up to 80,000 miles to 100,000 miles. So even with these offers, what what do they really do? Nothing much, right? But at least they do make that offer and they give you 1,000. Because right now, if you were to buy their charging kit for at home, it's about 1,200, and if they give you $1,000 off, you pretty much just paid like what, like $200. So here, but let's take a look. There's right here, the cars right here. They make different really nice car. 2023, the Air Pure all-wheel drive, the Air Touring, and their Grand Touring. So their Grand Touring is the highest one right there, 114. So that is competing with the Model S right there. And this one is the lowest one right here. But you can see there's here all-wheel drive, 5 heated seats, heated steering wheel. So let's see on the bottom here. This is a 2024 model, and right here you can see 69,000, 77,000, and 109,000. So they do lower the price. Like I said before, if they're not competitive, because then they're going to be out of business. And just like Rivian's, their every vehicle that they produce or they make, they're losing hundreds of dollars. So they gotta make sales. Okay, they gotta sell vehicles to stay in business. So let's go back to this article right here, and we can see it's give you like a breakdown right here as far as the price as well too. And you can check this here, like even with the ranges, 410 miles of EPA, right? That's a lot. A Tesla, the Model Y, looking about 300, and it used to be 330, but now they lowered down to 310 to be more realistic. And it could be even lower depending on how you use the car and the where you drive the car and the speed, all that kind of stuff. So we might not even hit the 310. So it's the same thing with like the Cybertruck where they put 310, and where a lot of people test it out and you probably get about 240 to 260. And here, like, yeah, it's just like just I just went over about this one right here, and I just read an article where the um, Lucid is paying out like $6 million to the CEO, thanking him for all the contributions and for coming up with the new model, the Gravity, the SUV that they're gonna be producing pretty soon, and that one is gonna be competitive. Can compare with the Tesla Model Y and Model 3 right there. So, and that's the one that's going to be their bread and butter. So hopefully they can come through with it. But we're just going to have to wait and see. But their car's a really nice car. But in order for them to hit the mass, it has to get lower. And if they were to lower the car, guess what happened? Tesla going to lower even more. And to Tesla has the capacity and they outproduce any manufacturers out there. So if these EVs companies started to lower the cars, guess what? Tesla will lower even more. And eventually, let's see who has more cash. If you don't, then either you'll be bought out or you bankrupt yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in a comment below. But then take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.